In this movie, we are examining a exposed fungus gallery or fungus comb in a Macrotermes mound in the Bondla Wildlife Sanctuary in the central Goa in India. Here we have a beautiful fungus garden. It is like a walnut. We do not have any penetrating or inserting type of camera, otherwise it would have been very interesting to see the mound architecture from interior, but it's quite intricate, isn't it? What do you feel? From this side, please. My research student Miss Rosie D'Souza is here. I would like to ask her what could be the possible, the origin of this fungus comb.
It is at the side and deep inside. When almost the half of the when you break this
Turret
at
or
least
ventilator, yeah.
Ventilator, you have to break it to the half so that we can see the fungal comb. Now each turret will have a fungal comb, but not necessary sometimes. Now this active termites build in and on this fungus garden they feed. So there are small white nodules, you can nodes like structures you can see.
Who builds these nodules? What is the identity of this biological?
They hover. They actually.
What is it? Species?
Species Termitomyces species.
What is so interesting about Termitomyces species and the termites?
They are mutually associated symbionts, and with existence, they require the existence of both the species, termites as well as the Termitomyces together. And now these nodes formations, they are the anamorphs, and after the first season, like rain start around June to July, August, and there is a synchronous growth of the fruiting bodies which are given out by this termite garden.
So what you are saying is this is asexual or anamorphic state which is maintained in the hypogeally inside the subterranean fungal gardens.
Yes, sir.
So suppose now we remove this fungus comb, you will be able to study it in laboratory?
If we harvest out this fungal comb, we can only study the anamorphic stage, because now...
what about the biochemical or chemical composition of the fungus comb?
Biochemical...
What material it will have, since all around this mound is litter?
It will have the litter, then the saliva, and different mud particles, clay particles, and also other living leaves which they digest out. So that is actually made into this soft delicate structure that is fungal garden.